Today, let's see what we can do with this piece of cottonwood I found on the side of the road.
Hit it! That's what I'm talking about.
Wait!
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hello and welcome to another episode of Full Fridge Woodworking. I'm Ed. Welcome to my shop. I'm glad you could join me today. So today what I've got is a piece of cottonwood I've had since last year. I was up in Colorado, go there a couple of times a year. And this was on the side of the road along with some other wood. So let me grab the camera. Let me just show you some of the wood I got last year. And actually I brought back some beauties this year. All right, so you'll have to excuse the mess from the shop, but these are just some of the logs. I mean, look at that piece of aspen. Got some more aspen down here, and they're really huge logs. So let me take you over here. This is some acacia, or no, sisu, that my neighbor cut down that I've got to still process. So let me take you over here. These are some of the ones I got just the last week when I was up in Colorado. So these are pretty big aspen logs. And then I got these, and I have no idea what kind of wood that is. Maybe one of you guys can let me know. So then I got these. These are about 24 inches across, and that's probably almost 5 or 6 inches deep. Thinking about making some coffee or end tables with that one. It's got a nice pretty crack in it for a bow tie, and then here's another one. Anyway, so this is a piece of cottonwood. It's roughly, I don't know, about 8 inches across, 8 inches wide, and roughly 5 inches deep. So it's gonna be a nice deep bowl. Not sure how much I'm gonna get, but anyway, so we're gonna take this over the bandsaw, get it more round, get it mounted to the lathe, and let's go have some fun. But before we do that, I did get a sticker in the mail from Robert over at Crosscut Creations. I'll put all of his information down below. So he sent me a couple of stickers, some cards. I'm gonna put them on the pressure pot and then on the wall. So here is his sticker. Thank you, Robert. I'll get you one in the mail. Go check out Robert's information. Like I said, I'll have it down below, and tell him that Ed at Wolf Ridge Woodworking sent you. So let's get started. Let's go have some fun. All right, so I've got it roughed out, and when I say rough, I mean really rough. So it's a lot of tear out right here, hoping that once I can get in at a good angle, I can smooth out some of that, but probably need to sharpen the tool again. So now I need to decide what I'm going to do with it. I do have a crack, pretty significant crack here. It looks like it goes all the way across. to the other side, about right here, shallower here. But I think I'm going to use some Starbond black because you can see some black streaks in here. So I think I'll use some Starbond thin black here, but not yet. I'm going to wait until I get the shape of the bowl decided. Still got to take off some of this. And what I'm trying to do now is just shrink the bowl down so I can get a little bit flatter edge here so I can establish where I'm going to put the tenon, the foot, or the mortise in the foot, all that good stuff. So that's kind of what I'm doing now. I'm trying to go through that process. Alrighty, so I'm going to fill this crack in the other one. I'm using some Starbond medium thick black. Check down in the description for a 10% off code. So I'm just going to use the small tip. See if I can get it down in there, if it'll flow. Try that again. Okay, I'm gonna hit it with a little activator. Well, I hope you had fun. I had a lot of fun. This cottonwood is just stunning. I mean, look at the grain in that and all of the different, I guess, mineral stains or whatever it is in there. It's just great. What do you think about that bowl shape? You know, it kind of just, I was actually kind of going for an OG shape, but as I started turning this, it just looked great. I thought, you know, it made a great shape. It's a good deep sized bowl. It's not perfect. It's got a little bit of, you know, tear out here that I couldn't get out, but just a little bit, not too bad. It's hard to even see it. But I think that was a good idea, using the shine, just to put a little bit of a shine on it. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I'll have pictures at the end. If you did, give it that thumbs up, give it a thumbs down, like it, or I already said that, comment and share. All of those help the channel out a lot. If you are new to the channel and you want to see other videos like this, click over here. If you want to become a subscriber, please do. Click up here, click the bell so that you're notified when I upload a new video. And as always, I wish you and your family a blessed day. Thank you.